So now we are going to study the judicial powers of the president. अब हम president के judicial powers को पढ़ने जा रहे हैं, ठीक है? So far we have studied the financial powers, the legislative powers. Now we are going to come to the judicial powers. So let us understand what is judicial power of the president. ठीक है, ये judicial powers क्या होते हैं president के, ये समझ लेते हैं. When we talk about the judicial power of the president, first important judicial power is appointment of Chief Justice and Supreme Court High Court judges are on him. The power to appoint the CJI and SC and HC judges, that is with the president. Okay. Second important power is that he takes advice from the Supreme Court, but that advice is not binding. Okay. That advice of the Supreme Court is not binding on him. He may accept or reject the advice. Third important power is the pardoning power. Under Article 72, President has been conferred with power to grant pardon against punishment for an offence against union law or death sentence or martial court. Now here there are different kinds of pardoning powers. Pardoning मतलब एक तरीके से माफ करने की पावर. अगर मार्शल कोर्ट के द्वारा पनिशमेंट दी गई है, डेथ सेंटेंस मिला है या यूनियन लॉ के अगेंस्ट कोई ऑफेंस किया है, तो इस केस में प्रेसिडेंट के पास पावर है कि वो उस ऑफेंडर को माफ कर सके. ठीक है. तो in the case of Nirbhaya also, president say the accused were time and again they were asking the president to pardon them, but president did not use his pardoning power because the offense was beyond any kind of relief. Right. Now let us understand there are different kinds of pardoning power. So what are those? माफ करने के भी अलग अलग kinds होते हैं, types होते हैं. तो किस तरीके की power president के पास है, किस तरीके की माफिया होती हैं, ये समझ लेते हैं. Right? Unacademy brings 3 months free extension on your Plus subscription. Now if you take a 1 year or above GS or combo subscription on Unacademy Plus, you will be given 3 months free extension on your subscription. That means if you are taking a 1 year subscription, the subscription will be a 1 year 3 months. एक साल का तो आपका पैकेज होगा ही और 3 months का आपको एक्स्ट्रा सब्सक्रिप्शन को एक्सटेंड करके फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट अनअकैडमी प्रोवाइड करेगा. एंड दिस ऑफर इज वैलिड ओनली टिल टुडे. सो इफ यू सब्सक्राइब टू GS सब्सक्रिप्शन और कॉम्बो सब्सक्रिप्शन ऑफ 1 year और above today, you will be given this offer. And with this offer we are also providing huge discounts on the combo subscription. यानी कि अगर आप GS प्लस ऑप्शनल का जो कॉम्बो सब्सक्रिप्शन अनअकैडमी प्लस देता है उस पर सब्सक्रिप्शन लेते हो for 1 year or 2 year or 3 years, we are providing 25% discount with optional, 10% discount if you use this referral code Arpita10. अगर आप ये referral code Arpita10 यूज करते हो तो 10% discount and flat 2500 off on your subscription. So this offer is again valid till today only. आज ही तक ये 12 बजे तक रात को ये offer valid रहेगा. See, in this offer within 1 year, for the 1 year course you are just paying 55,000 rupees and you are getting pre, mains and optional batches, complete coverage. Plus we are also providing home delivery of set of 20 GS books curated as per the latest trend of UPSC. 20 किताबें जो कि प्री और मेंस का सिलेबस कवर कर रही हैं वो आपको घर तक डिस्पैच की जाए. And these books are reviewed by top educators of Unacademy and previous year UPSC toppers also. So take your subscription today and be a part of this amazing opportunity which is being provided by Unacademy. The links are given below in the description box. आप links पे click करके आज ही subscription ले सकते हैं. Now first type of pardoning power is known as pardon. Okay, pardon मतलब simply माफ करना. So it removes the sentence and the conviction and completely absolves the convict from all sentences of all punishments and disqualifications. Okay. Then we have commutation. Commutation means substitution of one form of punishment for a lighter form. For example, a death sentence may be commuted to rigorous imprisonment. Okay, or simple imprisonment. Then we have remission. Remission means reducing the period of sentence without changing its character. For example, sentence of rigorous imprisonment for 2 years may be remitted to 1 year only. Okay. Then next we have respite. Respite means awarding a lesser sentence in place of originally awarded sentence because of some special circumstances. For example, if the convict is physically disabled or if the convict is a woman offender who is pregnant. So in that case, lesser sentence will be given. Then we have reprieve. Reprieve means putting a hold or stay of the execution of a sentence. especially that of death sentence, for a temporary period. The purpose is to enable the convict to have some time to seek pardon or commutation from the president. For that period, a reprieve is given to that person. Okay, so these are the 5 kinds of pardoning power of the President of India.